Today we talk about how can you scan on your CiCi app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you to scan your QR code. All you have to do, so you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Just click here on scan here, then you just click here on while using the app, then it's going to give you order to scan your QR code on your CiCi app. So that's all you have to do to scan your QR code on your here on your CiCi app. Just click here on scan. That's all. I wish you a great thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.